Trisha said, how many hours a week on average to get to your level? How long it takes is going to depend on you, because it's not as simple as if you put in 100 hours, you're going to be an expert. You have plenty of people who have put in the 100 hours. Let's pretend I've only painted for 100 hours. Somebody else has only painted for 100 hours. Why is mine night and day better than this person? Because this person probably stuck with beginner lessons, where I'm over here going, what's the hardest thing I can find? That's what I'm going to try doing. That is a very big difference of somebody who progresses and somebody who stays in the same place permanently. So it's not as simple as me saying, if you put in this many hours, this is what's going to happen. What are you spending the time to do? Are you focusing on the things that feel too difficult, feel too time consuming? That will push you forward so much faster than somebody who's like, I'm just forever going to paint Bob Ross. I'm forever going to paint every beginner tutorial I can find on YouTube. Beginning tutorials are fun. I'm not saying you shouldn't do them. I'm just saying the artist who only does that is not going to progress like the artist who's like, you know what? I don't care if I paint something ugly. I'm going to choose the hardest thing I can find. I'm going to paint that. That's the artist who's going to progress faster. So this artist might get to expert level 20 hours in, whereas this one 100 hours still looks like a beginner. So it just depends on the actions you take and what you're working on and what you notice. The artist who takes the time to really observe, to really see what's in that reference photo, to see, okay, this is dark here and then it gets lighter and then it fades back to a medium tone, is going to noticing those type of things. And that happens with practice. So it's not like, oh, I don't notice it, so I'm not good. That will get there. But you're aware that that's something you're trying to notice, you're trying to be aware of. That artist is going to progress much faster than the artist who's like, this is orange, this is green. Okay, but yeah, what were the values? Where did it get light? Where did it get dark? Where did it curve in a little bit? Where did these little, noticing those little things, I don't know why I have to move to do a curve, but noticing those little things, that's the artist who's going to progress faster than the artist who's like, it's orange, done. And they're like, why does it look like a cartoon? Because you thought picking the right color was what's going to make it look realistic. No, it's all the other things. It's your values, it's your details, it's all the other things. So